Hey there, moving your stuff into storage? Great idea. But first, let's talk about decluttering. Don't worry, we'll make it fun and easy. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps: what to keep, what to donate, and what to toss. First up, deciding what to keep. Ask yourself, do I use this regularly? Or does it bring me joy? Like this awesome coffee mug you got from Aunt Linda? If it's a yes, it stays. Next, what to donate. Look for items that are in good condition but haven't seen the light of day in a while. That sweater you bought on sale 3 years ago? If it's still in great shape but not your style, it's perfect for donation. And finally, what to throw away. Be honest. If it's broken, stained, or just plain unusable, it's time to let it go. That old lamp with the missing shade? Say goodbye and make room for things that matter. See? Decluttering before storage isn't so bad. Just keep, donate, or toss, and you're on your way to a more organized life. For more tips and to find safe and secure self-storage, visit www.arcostorage.com. Happy decluttering!